So guys, I'm on my way to Museumplein to get the famous Dubai Oliebol. So if you don't know what the Oliebol is, it's like a Dutch traditional donut. And there was like this hype around this Dubai chocolate, and since it's Oliebollen time, so it's the traditional Dutch donut season, they also have one with Dubai chocolate. For some reason, everything with the stamp with the name Dubai it sells, so people are rushing to get it. There's like this whole line. Before this craze was started, I always used to get my Oliebollen, the donuts, over there. But now, since they're an overnight hype, that means you have to reserve in advance. There are long lines. But I'm hoping that I can get it. And then we're going to have a little taste test. Guys, this is what the Dubai Oliebol, the Dutch donut, looks like. I'm going to taste the Dubai Oliebol, the Dubai original Dutch donut. It has pistachio, it has chocolate, it's gold plated, it smells delicious. It's so tasty. This donut costs about €3 and it's money well spent. So good. You can taste the pistachio. They made like a pistachio butter. It tastes like peanut butter, but then a greenish version of peanut butter. So delicious. It's just like velvet on your tongue. So guys, go and get this Dubai Oliebol. It's a hit.
The Museumplein ice rink is open throughout the holiday season, making it the perfect spot to create lasting memories with friends and family. Be sure to check the schedule for special events like team skating nights for holiday performances. So what are you waiting for? Strap on your skates and glide into the magic of winter at Museumplein. Welcome to the enchanting world of Tussauds Amsterdam. This iconic attraction is where reality and illusion blur in the most entertaining way. Join me as I step inside and meet lifelike wax figures of global superstars, historical figures, and Dutch legends. As you enter Tussauds, you're greeted by a stunning modern interior that sets the tone for what's to come. Tickets can be purchased online or at the door, but I highly recommend booking in advance to skip the lines. Once inside, you're transported into a world of artistry and storytelling, crafted over decades of expertise. Before we dive into the exhibits, let's take a moment to appreciate the artistry behind these lifelike figures. Did you know that each wax figure takes about 4 to 6 months to create? Every detail from the texture of the skin to the shine of their eyes, it's crafted with such detail. And get this, each strand of hair is inserted individually by hand, and the results are absolute perfection. This section reflects light on sports heroes. You can see Rico Verhoeven, that's a Dutch boxer. We have, of course, our skaters. And then we move on to the tennis players, Rafael Nadal, Formula 1. And then Virgil van Dijk, one of the most famous Dutch footballers. Johan Cruyff, one of the biggest Dutch footballers also. So it goes on and on. Ronaldo, famous Dutch DJs. We're moving up the stairs. This is an A-list celebrity party. This section pays homage to the greats in fashion. This is Kelly, that's a famous Dutch blogger. She does makeup. We have the Kardashians, Naomi Campbell, Heidi Klum. Then we have Rihanna. Everybody knows this lady. We have pictures on the wall of all the Victoria's Secret angels. The view on the Dam Square is absolutely impeccable. Then we move on to other music greats like Freddie Mercury. This is a famous Dutch singer. We have Ariana Grande, Davina Michelle, our Dutch pop princess. Then we have Ariana Grande again. I don't know who this lady is. Then we have Michael Jackson, Bob Marley, Beyonce, Harry Styles, and then we have a section on Dutch artists. This is André Hazes, one of the most famous Dutch singers. We go to Anne Frank. Walking through the exhibition is a humbling experience, and it connects you to rich history. I got home and I decided to make myself some Vietnamese lumpias, bake them in olive oil, medium heat, and then ate them with a chili sauce. This snack was just what I needed to get rid of the hungry feeling. Now I'm preparing my evening meal. I made cooked up rice with beans, with smoked chicken. I added some tomatoes, some garlic, some spring leaves, and cook up rice. It wasn't actually cooked up rice. I used some bulgur, that is Turkish rice, but it's not actually rice. It's something else.
Advent calendars add to the Christmas spirit. To take the holiday cheer to extra heights, I'm going to unpack the Balea Advent calendar for you each night. I will literally do this one day at a time and share my experiences. A gift adds color to your life. Let's begin then. Enjoy life gift by gift.
The body lotion in the Balea Advent calendar is a delightful addition, providing a soothing and hydrating treat for winter skin. Designed to be both lightweight and deeply moisturizing, it is perfect for combating the dryness that often accompanies colder weather. Thanks for watching and see you in the next vlog.